Did you know about this new trend? Hybrid Zoom meetings, having people online as well as in person. I want to show you how to do that and still have highly engaging and effective meetings. Here's where the ultimate Zoom guide comes into play. I have some of the most popular Zoom videos on YouTube since the pandemic. As part of the course, I've created bite-sized content for you to triage problems and resolve issues quickly. These methods and content are tested with over 1 million views, so you know that they're gonna work. Click by click instructions, I slow things down so you will never feel overwhelmed. I will give you options on looking and sounding your best without breaking the bank. But if you want to upgrade to fancier cameras and lights, I'll show you how to do that too. Hey, again, this is Faye from Feisworld Media. I am so glad you found me. I hope you will stay and choose to subscribe for only $10 a month. Tell other people about it. If you're not happy, you'll get your money back and you can cancel the subscription at any time.